brief addendum to the Burlington, North Carolina Supercharger review. Like I said, every time we've been there, we felt safe and secure even after everything was closed. But I've got a report from another owner that in the local news there was a report of a Tesla owner and her friend held at gunpoint while they were charging. So watch yourself. And I don't know yet that I would say that it's not safe. After everything's closed, I would just say be mindful that this report is out there. I haven't verified it myself, but it is it's concerning. And I'm going to link this to that original video, and I'm going to link that video here with the little card in the upper right. Hopefully this is right on your screen. I don't know if this camera reverses that. But anyway, the little iCard, hit it, and then you get a link back to that video. You can see the Burlington Supercharger review, and then I'll do the same on that one, link back to here so that people can be aware. And if I hear anything about any more of them, I'll make more videos and put them there. And if I hear that it was just an isolated incident and a proof of that, I will do the same and update you. Have a great day.